we need 3 pieces of ripe avocado. Using a sharp knife, slice through the avocado lengthwise until you feel the knife hit the pit. Then, rotate the avocado, keeping the knife steady. Make a cut around the pit. Twist the two halves apart to separate it. Now, using the spoon, scoop out the flesh whole. Now, aim your knife at the pit and whack into it. Then, twist the knife to pull it out. Using a blender, we need to blend the avocado until smooth. By the way, this 900 watts blender is so powerful that can even give you a legit smoothies, without pulp at all, and can even make a nut butters. So if you're looking for a blender, I recommend this one. If you only have Graham biscuit in your pantry, you need to crush it. For the layered filling, we need 1 1/2 cup of condensed milk and 4 cups of whipping cream. Then, we need to whisk it well until it became foamy. Time to layer the ingredients in the container. First is the whole Graham biscuit. Next is our foamy filling. Then our smoothie avocado. After that, our crushed Graham. Repeat the same layering sequence until the container is full. After this, cover the container and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then, ready to serve! This is Dros. Till next time!